Hello everyone. Welcome to Training and Placement Cell, Lindy Institute of Engineering and Technology. In this video, I am going to explain the divisible property of 31. In the previous videos, I explained the divisible property of 19 and 29, and this video 31 within 10 seconds. Yes, this is Mr. MS Umashankar, aptitude trainer in Lindy Institute of Engineering and Technology. Now, divisible property of 31. Already I discussed it. I explained previous videos the positive oscillator. Now, today we'll discuss the negative oscillator. Okay, here negative oscillator. If the unit digit of any divisor is equal to 1, then we will use the negative oscillator. Here the question is 31. Now what is the negative oscillator of this one? Simply drop this one and that is the answer. 3 is the negative oscillator of 31. What about the positive oscillator? Suppose 19 is there, drop this 9 and you will add 1 to 1, that is equal to 2 or not. But what about negative oscillator? This is a positive oscillator and this is the negative oscillator. Just to drop down and write down that number. Now, what is the negative oscillator of 41? Drop this 1 and this is equal to 4. What is the negative oscillator of 51? Drop this 1 and write down 5. What is the negative oscillator of 61? Drop this 1 and write down 6 and so on. This is the negative oscillator. Now, what about this question? In this video, I am going to explain the divisible property of 31. So, what is the negative oscillator of this one? That is equal to 3, right? Now, I'll start your question with a simple question, just a 4-digit number, that is 3813 divisible by 31. What is the first step? Negative oscillator that is equal to 31. Drop this one and negative oscillator that is equal to 3. You are using negative oscillator when the unit digit of a divisor is equal to 1. The next step is a very important step. You will write down the numbers in bit gap between the each and every digit. And the very important step in the negative oscillator, you will convert every second digit from your right hand side as positive to negative. This is a positive value, just you will convert negative value. This is called, generally this is called as a vinculum, and let us consider this is a negative value. Okay, 3 minus 1, 8 minus 3. You will convert each and every second digit from your right hand side as a negative value. Okay, 3, 1, etc. Now, come to the step 1. Same process as the positive oscillator. Step 1. First, you will multiply the unit digit of this number, dividend 3 into negative oscillator, that is 3. And this is a negative value or not. Suppose this is a positive, you will add, but negative value minus 1. So what happened? 3 into 3, 8, 8 minus 1, that is equal to 8. You will write down 8 bottom of 1. That is the first step. Next, step 3, step 2, same process. You will multiply this 8 with a negative oscillator, that is 3. And what is the next one? This is a positive value or not? Plus 8. So that is equal to 24. Plus 8, that is equal to 32. You will write down 32 bottom of this 8. Now, step 3. Before we move to the step 3, just a change. This is the unit digit. This is a positive. And this is, you will convert this number into negative value. Suppose two digits are exist. First digit is positive and the second digit is negative, just like the above. Now what can you do? First you will multiply this unit digit of this number with an oscillator that is equal to 3. What is the oscillator? That is equal to 3. What is the next step? This is a negative value, minus 3, and you will subtract this one also, minus 3. 6 minus 3 minus 3, that is equal to 0. Just you will write down 0 bottom of this number. Now you will check the 0 is exactly divisible by 31 or not. Yes, that's why 3813 is exactly divisible by 31. This is the method for the divisible property of 31. Now I will tell you one more example, just a little bit difficult, that means a 6-digit number. Let us check. Is 178467 divisible by 31? Here, first, what is the negative oscillator? This one, drop 1 and a negative oscillator, that is equal to 3. You will write down this number 178467, and what is the first step? You will convert every second digit from your right hand side as a negative value, 4, 8 and 1. Second digit, fourth digit and sixth digit. Now what is the step 1? You will multiply the unit digit of this number, that is 7, with an oscillator. What is the oscillator? That is equal to 3 minus 6 or not. 7 into 3 minus 6. So that is equal to 21 minus 6, that is equal to 15. You will write down 15 bottom of this 6. And then you will convert the second digit as a negative value. What is the step 2? You will multiply the unit digit of 15, that is equal to 5, with an oscillator. What is the oscillator? That is equal to 3. And then you will subtract 1, and then you will add this one. Why? Because this is a positive value or not, plus 4. So this is equal to 15 minus 1, that is equal to 14, plus 4, that is equal to 18. You will write down 18 bottom of this number. Now step 3, and then you will convert this number into negative value. Okay, what is step 3? You will multiply this 8 with a positive negative oscillator, that is 3, and this is minus 1 and this is minus 8. So what happened? 8 into 3, 24, minus 1 minus 8, so that is equal to 15. So what about this value? This is equal to 15. You will write down 15 bottom of this 8, and you will convert your tens digit into negative value. Now what is the step 4? You will multiply this unit digit 5 with a negative oscillator. What is the negative oscillator? That is 3. And then you will subtract 1 from this number and plus 7. So what happened? 15 minus 1, 14. 14 plus 7, that is equal to 21. You will write down 21 bottom of 7, and you will convert the tens digit into negative value. Next, step 5. What is the step 5? You will multiply this 1 with a negative oscillator, that is 3, minus 2, that is equal to minus 2. And then what is the last one? Minus 1. That is 3 minus 2 minus 1, that is equal to 0. Now you will write down 0 bottom of this minus 1. Now you will check whether 0 is divisible by 31 or not. Yes, that's why 178467 is also exactly divisible by 31. Now I will tell you one more example, but without write down all these steps, just calculate it mentally. Okay, now what is the next example? Here is 130571 divisible by 31. What is the negative oscillator? This one, negative oscillator, that is equal to 3 or not. Just you drop down 1. Now what is the number here? 130571. You will convert every second digit as a negative value from your right hand side. What is the first step? you will multiply this unit digit with an oscillator. 1 into 3, 3. 3 minus 7, that is equal to minus 4 or not. 1 into 3, 3. 3 minus 7, that is equal to minus 4. That is the step 1. What is the step 2? You will multiply this minus 4 with 3, that is equal to minus 12. Minus 12 plus 5, that is equal to 7. Okay, this is equal to minus 4 into 3 minus 12 plus 5, that is equal to minus 7. Now you will multiply this minus 7 with 3, that is minus 21 plus 0. So no need to write down plus or minus. Why? Because 0 has no sign. Okay, minus 7 into 3 minus 21, just write down minus 21. Now you will convert this negative value as positive value. Why? Because the next digit. Okay, suppose this is a positive, you will convert this number into negative, but this is a negative value, you will convert this number into positive. What is the next step? You will multiply this number minus 1 with an oscillator, that is equal to minus 3. Minus 3 plus 2, here minus 1 into 3 and next plus 2 plus 3. This is equal to minus 3 plus 5, that is equal to 2 is the answer or not. That is the 2. Now what is the next step? 2 into 3, 6. 6 minus 1, that is equal to 5. Now is 5 is exactly divisible by 31? No. That's why 130571 is not exactly divisible by 31. This is the method for the divisible property of 31. In the next video, I will explain the divisible property of 41. Stay tuned to my channel. You will get more updates from my channel. Thank you one and all.